Good morning students. Today we will study exercise 7.3. First of all, I will let you know that you haven't subscribed my channel till time. So first of all, subscribe the channel and then see the video. Okay. See here what we have to do in exercise 7.3. What happens? We have to add or subtract the decimal. Now from here what we have to learn? We have to learn the additions, subtractions, multiplication and division in decimal value. Okay. Till exercise 7.2 what we have learned? We have learned the way of converting decimals to a fraction, fractions to a decimal. Understand? And we have learned here that if we will have denominator in term of 10 of any fractions, if we will have denominator in term of 10, we can easily convert it to a decimal without dividing. So mostly what we have to try, what we have learned till exercise 7.2, that we have to make denominator in term of 10 or in denominations of 10. That will be more easy for us to solve. Otherwise we have to divide. There is no other way to solve the question, only what we have to divide. If we don't want to divide, what we have to do? We have to try to make the denominator in denominations of 10. Understand? And how do we make? How do we know that this value will easily convert to a denomination of 10? So I have already told that if the denominator is an even number, or 5 or in multiples of 5, if we will have anything, so we can convert it into the denominations of 10 easily. Okay. So just we need to try. We have to try with the alternate numbers. Okay. So that we will get the denominator in term of 10. If we can get the denominator in term of 10, we do not have to divide, and that will be more easy for us. Okay. So that we all have learned, converting of decimal to fraction, fractions to decimal, that we all have learned. That will be very helpful while dividing, while multiplying. Understand? That will be very helpful for us. Now first here what we have to study? We have to study the addition. So in addition, what? The number of places is very important. We do not change the decimal number of places. Okay. So see how do we add? So see first one question you will already understand. So 372.425. First of all, what we have to do? We have to convert the value, the given decimals into a like decimals. First of all, convert the decimals into a like decimals. That will be more easy for us. So what we have to do? We have to convert the given decimals first of all to a like decimals. See here, the maximum number of places in is 3. So 7.300 I have placed. So now here also 3 decimal place. 45.62 we have placed 1 0. Now it also becomes to a 3 decimal place. 372.425. It is already now here 12.25 I have placed 0. So now the decimals value is now converted to a like decimals. Now what we have to do? We have to add. So 7.300. Okay. 45.620. So 45.620. 372.425. 372.425. 12.250. 12.250. And what we have to do? We have to add. So now try it. Now it will be more easy. What we have to see that the decimal places will be in a sequence. Decimal, the point of decimal will be in a same line. If it is coming in a same line, that means you have placed the order in in a correct order, all the number in a correct order. You have placed all number in a correct order. Why? Because the decimal is lying in a same line. Why? Because decimal is lying in a same line. So this is the correct way. ये एक पहचान है, ये एक पहचान है जिससे कि हम देख सकते हैं कि हाँ हम क्वेश्चन सही ही कर रहे हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि डेसिमल सब एक लाइन पे ही आने चाहिए, अलग अलग नहीं आ सकते हैं. अलग अलग आ रहे हैं तो वो गलत है. ओके, पहले अनलाइक को लाइक में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, फिर ऐड करेंगे. ओके, नाउ सी हियर 5 plus 2 7 plus 2 9, 6 plus 4 10 plus 3 13 plus 2 15, 1 will be carry, 1 will be carry. Now what? 5 plus 2 7 plus 7 14 plus 2 16 plus 1 17. Okay, now what? We will place decimal here and 1 is carry over here. Now again 7 plus 4 11, 1 12, 1 13, 1 is again carry, 3 plus 1 4. Okay, so this is the answer. This is the way of addition. This is the way of addition, the value in a decimal form. Okay, add a value given in a decimal form. Okay, so it is very easy. Only what we have to do, we have to convert the decimal first in a like decimals, then arrange the order in such a way that all decimal will lie in a same line, and then simply add. See one more example. 36.24 562.01 3 35.241 19.123. Okay, see here, first of all we have to convert in a like decimal. 240 we will place. 56 562.010 35.241 19.123. Now we have converted in a like decimals. Now we will add 36.240 562.010 35.241 19.123. We will add. So see here 3 1 4 4 plus 4 8 1 9 10 11 2 plus 2 4 1 5 1 6. We will place a decimal. 6 plus 2 8 8 plus 5 13 13 plus 9 13 plus 9 22. So here 3 plus 6 9 9 plus 2 11 11 plus 3 14 plus 1 15 5 1 6. Okay, so answer will be 652.614. 652.614. Okay, so we have arranged the unlike decimals to a like decimals. Then we will see that the order of decimal will be in a single line. That means it will be in a same line, and if it is arranged in a same line, the decimal, that means we have placed the correct order to add. Okay, then we will simply add the values. Okay, so this is the way of addition. Understand? And in subtraction also, we have to first convert unlike to a like decimal, then we have to subtract. Okay, first we have to convert. Like, we will have 35.42 and 16.230. We have to subtract. What we have to do? We have to now subtract. Okay, so subtract 63.230. So what we have to do? We have to first convert into a like fractions. 4 to 0 and 16.230. Okay, we have to subtract. Okay, we have to subtract. So see here, now it is simple. 0.420, the larger value, the bigger value will be in the upper part, smaller will be in the down part. 0.2 3 0. Okay, 0 0 0. What we will do? 2 subtract by 3, that is not possible. We will take a carry. So what happened? It is now converted to a 12. 12 minus 3, 9. Now what happened? It is now 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 5, 15. Now it will give 1. It will lend. So it will give carry. So it will convert it to 15 minus 6, 9. And what happens? It is now converted to 2. So 2 minus 1, 1. So this is the subtractance. This is the answer. This is the way of subtracting. Okay. So first we will convert unlike to a like decimals, and then we will subtract. So this is also very easy. Now I thought that you all have understand how to subtract and how to add the value in a decimal. Okay. It is very easier part. So exercise 7.3 is based on this only. Okay, is based on this only. In exercise 7.3 we will only have to add or subtract. So now what you all have to do? You all have to complete exercise 7.3 in your fair copy. And if any problem, you can ask me in a comment box or in a WhatsApp group. Okay, so all of you do your work properly in a correct time, and if any problem you can come to me. Thank you.